What we're learning today and going to these little Indian villages is it seems to be more successful to go door to door. These villages are dispersed very widely into small camps, and it's just too far for these people to bring their dogs to the camp. Also, there's not much communication to let people know what we're doing. So we just stopped where we saw one dog just now on the side of the road, and we've done over 10 dogs, maybe even 12 dogs here that are being brought out from the houses. So I suspect that a future campaign in the Indian villages would be more successful if we planned on going door to door rather than setting up in a camp like we do with the Tibetan villages.
Exciting, but I did just draw up some vaccines. We got rabies vaccines here.
3 to 5 unless they know different.
Our distemper.
Measuring tape?
Which is clear. Measuring tape.
Just making sure he doesn't have a transmissible material. That's your story, you're sticking to it.
I'm recording everything, making sure our microchips match up to what they're putting in, recording all the information they have.
We thought we were really good yesterday because we figured we had like 38 people to see. Now we have, I don't know, 60 people to see. So they probably have come in from the fields, but you know, no matter what, at noon we have to stop. That's the hard part for the team. We read in our book it said doxycycline, so I ordered a lot of doxycycline.
4 बार 4 बार सुबह दिन को शाम को रात को 4 बार डालना है